por el QSO 73. Gracias por hablar en español para mí. Hasta pronto. Sayonara, Haru.
Hotel Lima 1, Zulu India X-Ray. Hotel Lima 1, Zulu India X-Ray.
Hotel Lima 1, Hotel Lima 1 station, Hotel Lima 1 again.
Hotel Lima 1, Zulu India X-Ray.
Okay, Hotel Lima 1, Zulu India X-Ray. London area on 4, Victor Lima returning. Your report of 5 and 8. 5 and 8. My name is Juan, like Juliet United Alpha November. Juan is my name. QDX Southern Argentina, north part of the Patagonia. Back to you, Hotel Lima 1, Zulu India X-Ray, Lima Union 4, Victor Lima, over.
Hello, Juan. You're 5'9" to 5'9" plus 10 at times here in Seoul. I'm just over the mountain from my friend HL1ZIX, whom you spoke with a couple of contacts ago, and you're sounding very good. I'm running 100 watts as well as he is. 100 watts with 33-foot by 33-foot doublet antenna on top of a 5-story apartment building. 5-story apartment building here in Seoul, South Korea. You're sounding wonderful today. Excellent signal. Back to you, Hotel Lima 1, Zulu India X-Ray for LU4VL.
Please repeat me or say me your name, over.
Sorry about that. My name is Derek. Delta Echo Romeo Echo Kilo. Derek, go ahead.
Okay, Derek. Derek, where are you from, Derek? Over.
I'm from the United States. I'm from a state called Iowa in the USA, and I'm an English teacher here in South Korea, just like my friend HL1ZIX you spoke with a few minutes ago. We're both English teachers here. Back to you, over.
Okay, Roger, Derek, 100%. Okay, Roger at all, and thank you very much for calling me. I repeat your report from the night from Xenia, no problem. I am running with 500 watts output. The antenna is at 911 600 in your direction, Derek. Have a great week. Thank you. All the best. And I repeat, I have to contact with you again. Excuse me. Hotel Lima 1, Zulu India X-Ray, Lima Union 4, Victor Lima. 73, Derek.
73, Juan. Thank you very much for the great signal today. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Also for you. Bye-bye.
Juliet Alpha 7, Queen Victor Italy.
Although it's not a weekend. That was fun. Both my friend John and I both contacted him within about 10 minutes. 5'9" plus 10. You can see that bouncing up almost to plus 10 from Argentina. Wow, great signal. Anyway, wow, what a great signal.